Starting on the dashboard page of the SLMP portal, we're going to look at the left-hand side menu and click Sites. From here, take a look at the menu at the top of the page and click the last option, QR codes. And there's no QR codes that are in here yet, so first thing we're going to do is press the Create New. And then you have to go ahead and name your QR code. This is going to be very important if you create more than one. You want to keep things organized. So for this one, we're just going to name it Test. And then decide if you're going to use a website link, a review link. Is this QR code going to go to a call button, text button, or email? For this example, we're going to choose website and click Next. I'm going to go ahead and use my real estate website for this example. And again, click Next. And then this is where you can go in and add your colors. If you don't want black and white, maybe use a blue or a gold in your marketing. Use the hex codes that you have for your branding colors and play around with this. You can change the shape or the form. You can change how the dots appear. So you can just play around with this and change the design. You can also add your logo and it'll pop up in the middle. Let's see if I can find mine in here. This is one of the clients I work with. This is her logo, and you'll just see it pops up right in the middle there. If you want to add a background image, so maybe you're doing this QR code for a flyer for your open house and you want to include a picture of the house behind the QR code, you can go in again and click and select your image. Let's use this one since it's a house. You can see it doesn't show up great, but it'll show you the size that the image is going to show up as. So just play around with it, design your own QR codes, and then you can download here. Make sure the formatting is correct. So if you're going to share this on social media, you need to use the PDF or the PNG. The SVG file won't show up. But if you're going to put it on a website or a landing page, the SVG might make it look a little bit clearer. So it depends on what you're using it for. And then go ahead and save it. You'll be able to download it afterwards if you don't do so on this page. You can always go back and look at your QR codes. You can go back in and edit them or delete, and then these are downloading those 3 different file types. So that's how you create a QR code within the SLMP system. If you have any other questions, let us know or take a look at all of our other how-to videos.